Hello and welcome to Morels, situated in Crosskeys, Coleg Gwent. Our Morels restaurant is a functioning, realistic working environment where our students learn to serve customers on a daily basis, from using barista machines to using the bar, making cocktails and mocktails, and also interacting with customers.
Main thing I really enjoy is working behind the bar because making cocktails, mocktails and any other drink is really fun, and that's what I really love doing.
The food is lovely, always flavoursome, a very, very high standard and lots of variety.
The food we serve at Morels is mainly European, with other dishes moved in from around the world. We do theme menus ranging from our Valentine's through Welsh onto French, Italian, so it's a wide variety to help our learners understand food.
Although there are themed days, it's nice that those menus are actually tweaked and changed throughout that time. So that what really attracts us to keep coming back.
Our students benefit from working at Morels, mainly between restaurant and also the kitchen. They gain experience from interacting with the customers to actually cooking in the kitchen for the customers.
As a student, we can move between both restaurant and kitchen. It helps us with real life and practical experiences.
In the future, for my career, I would like to potentially open my own restaurant. By working in Morels at the kitchen, I learned so much more skills and front of house knowledge.
We would absolutely recommend Morels to people. In fact, we've already done that over the years, and I know that they've come back here, so we've always enjoyed a very warm and welcoming and friendly helper service.
Whether it's a large party or just the two of you, we would love to see you at Morels. For more information, visit our website and book today.